Hello, you're watching The Market Bull. I'm Rebecca Marsh, and joining me in the studio today is the CEO of Spenda Limited, Adrian Floate. First up, Adrian, congratulations on a successful capital raise. It's certainly been a big week for the company.
Thanks, Rebecca. It certainly has been. It was a fantastic result for us. Obviously, we set out to raise 2.5. We had great demand from both new investors, some key strategic existing shareholders, as well as board, management and executive. So very happy with how we've ended up and looking forward to the next step.
So what was the rationale behind the decision to do a capital raise, and what was the trigger to do it now?
We had kind of two key ingredients in the mix. The first one being our need for first loss. So we have a strong expectation of utilising the vast majority of those funds for first loss to get our facility drawn to 25 million, which throws off about 5 million in revenue. Secondarily to that, we were really focused on bringing some new investors to the table that we felt would follow their money, and therefore with the positive announcement runway that we have ahead of us, allow us to have a real opportunity over the next 6 weeks of getting those options in the money.
So why do you feel the market has responded so negatively to the capital raise?
It's a really tough question. I'm not 100% sure if it's people who were still in the money that decided to sell, some folks who were unhappy that they didn't get to participate. But I think once that sort of momentum started, I think there's just been a little bit of fear and panic in the market that maybe we've raised money and something wasn't going well, which is certainly not the case.
And lastly, what's next for Spenda?
In a word, growth. We're at the end of, I guess, a 3-year cycle where we set about consolidating our operations, finding key strategics, proving capabilities, and then scaling out. And that's really our focus right now. And I think we've let the market know what's coming.
Certainly lots happening within the company. Thank you so much for the chat today, Adrian.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.